Consider how typing names on the internet could make you up to $400 per day. I mean, come on, how cool is that? This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. As you can see, entering one page of names will pay $15, 5 pages will pay $75, and typing 20 pages every day will pay $300. The best part is that there are no limitations. You can type as much as you want and make as much money as you want. This is something you can do on your phone or computer, and it's completely free and accessible from anywhere on the planet. In today's video, make sure to watch the entire video to prevent losing out on the sign-up process, which is actually rather difficult and that the majority of people get wrong. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So, by using the calculator on this website, we can estimate how much money you can make from this new opportunity. Pay attention to the rate per word, which is the amount of money you can get paid per word that you type. In this case, 0.5 in US dollars or 50 cents, and one page usually has around 300 words. For example, type the name project here is page number 1, and this type the name project right here is page number 2, and this type the name project right here is page number 3. On each of these pages, you can get paid simply by inputting names. Let me now show you on this page where you can truly get paid $15 for writing 300 words. As I scroll down, it shows that there are a total of 300 names, meaning you can earn $15 for 300 words per page by simply typing names on this website. This is a fantastic opportunity to make money. Consider this, we can receive up to 20 pages per day at $15 per page, which means you can easily earn $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing names on this website. So first, I want you to come over to this website, which is Talentdesirecom. Earn money online from home without investing. This opportunity is absolutely free, and you don't need any investment or any money to get started. Now, when you scroll down below, you can actually see that they offer different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading jobs, freelance, blogging, language translation, and online paid surveys. There are many different jobs that you can do, but on this video, we're gonna focus on online typing jobs because this is one of the simplest things that you can do on this website, and it requires no experience or tech skills at all. Take a look at this. You can earn $9,450 all the way up to $33,750 per year. Now, as for the joining fees, you can see that registration is completely free, and there are no hidden fees either before or after you join, and they'll never ask you to invest at any point. This is a completely free and global opportunity. You can see right here that depending on your skill level, you'll be rewarded varying amounts of brick, ranging from beginners to professionals. You can see that even if you're a total newbie, you may get compensated whether you're an expert or not. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. The first bonus tip is that simply typing names into a website like Retatype.com can help you earn a better rate. This is the website's homepage, where you can take a free typing test. After that, click on the yellow symbol right here to be directed to this page, where you may begin typing on your phone or computer. I'd like you to take the speed typing test so that you can get a typing certificate from this website. You can get the certificate for free, and you'll need it because it'll boost your income and earning rates per page. For example, if you want to earn $15 for every page you type, make sure to get the certificate. This is the ultimate secret because if you have the certificate to prove that you can type, you will be accepted much faster and will have access to more high-paying and limitless job opportunities. That being stated, entering names can make you $300 or even $400 each day. So, once again, keep an eye on the screen to figure out how to get the certificate and finish your application on Talentdesire.com. When you start typing on this page, it'll calculate how many words per minute you can type as well as your accuracy, including whether you have any spelling or typing mistakes. You can see here that your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%. The higher your accuracy, the more money you'll make. If your accuracy is less than 98%, don't panic. You can still go back to the website retatype.com and take the typing test for free until you improve your speed or accuracy. Now, if you've reached a suitable result, you may sign up for a free account by clicking Improve Typing, which will bring you to a screen similar to this one. You can then create a free account by entering your name, email address, and password. So go ahead and click the yellow sign up button after agreeing to the terms and conditions, then scroll down and click on the certificate to see that it says awarded to your name for typing in English, and they'll even show you the retatype.com signature to verify that the certificate is genuine. This certificate is actually quite beneficial to you. You could be paid at a considerably higher rate. You can click on this print button right here when you scroll down again, but don't worry, you can do this on your computer or on your mobile phone as well. All you have to do is see the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Just click on this Save button. Now, once you've received the certificate, we'll proceed to Talentdesire.com to begin applying for this position. When you get to the bottom of this page, click the red button that says Apply Now, and you'll be taken to this page where you can start applying for jobs. Then scroll down to see what's available, choose an application, and then we'll go to this page where you can fill out an online application for work-at-home jobs by clicking on this red link right here. Scroll down till you find this redneck who says, fill out your details to apply and work with us. If you can't find the registration page, make sure you view the video again because you can bookmark or save it to your playlist and then watch it later. Now, when you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll see that you'll be filling in your personal information. The first thing you'll need to do is accept the privacy policy, then type in your first and last names as well as your email address, phone numbers, and country, then click the down arrow. They accept people from all over the world, including countries such as India, Nigeria, the Philippines, United Kingdom, United States of America, Pakistan, as well as other nations. Moving on to the next stage, this is basically all about your professional information, and it is a very important section that most people get wrong. Now, I want you to enter in the job title section, making sure to type the job title exactly like this one, and then choose what time is ideal for you. Next, click on the down arrow right here, and you can choose any time you like, but I recommend all day because it'll provide you with more options and jobs, allowing you to earn more money online. Then, using the down arrow here, select the best method for receiving your earnings: PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. Now scroll down below to see and choose your current professional status. Once you've filled out all the details, click Yes, I've read and accepted the statement above, and don't forget your signature. Just put your full name right here and click on I'm not a robot, then click the Submit button. Once you've been accepted, you can start receiving typing name jobs like this one, where you can earn $15 for just 300 words and one page, then another $15 for the second page, another $15 for the third page, and so on. You can earn $15 for each page you type, but make sure you submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.